Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our series on the EGW Writings 2 iPad app and learning how to use audiobooks, and in particular, the audiobooks navigation. If you take a look here at my screen, and if I tap on audiobooks and then I tap the language, and I'm going to play Desire of Ages, so I tap on Desire of Ages, you notice that the audiobooks player menu pops up. Now in the bottom left hand corner here, you can see that I have the navigation. Now if I slide my finger along the navigation here, you can see that it will navigate in the time through the chapter. You can see that if I'm here, I'm 5 minutes into the chapter, that's my start time, and this is how many minutes and seconds are left in the audiobook, 1 minute and 6. So you can, as you go through the audiobook, you can see that, how long I have been playing the book, how much left there is to play. Now you can also see, and I'm going to show you navigate what these little icons are along here. The first one here actually is the previous chapter. Now I'm already at the preface, but imagine that I was in chapter 2 and it's playing away on chapter 2 and I go, no, I don't want chapter 2. I can click on the back chapter there and it will take me back to the previous chapter, and I'm now in chapter 1.
Chapter 1.
Over the other side, you have the next chapter, so I can jump through and it'll be playing chapter 2. What is these other icons? Well, these here jump forward and back 10 seconds. So if I'm playing the audiobook and I'm here in the chapter, it's playing away and I miss something, someone said something to me, oh, I want to hear that, not a problem. You just click on the skip back 10 seconds and you can repeat what you just missed. And now if you've listened to it and you want to skip forward, you could come over here and skip forward 10 seconds, skip through 10 seconds at a time to quickly navigate through. Now the middle one is your play pause icon. Right there.
Time after time, the greatest monarchs.
So that's basically how you navigate. Now once you're actually in the book, maybe you're listening to it and you pop out into the reader, you've also got the navigation down here in the left hand corner, and you can long click on the pause button there and it'll bring you back to the player, and you can play, pause and bring it there. So if you actually jumped out and went into the reader and you wanted to go into the reader here and you tapped on it, you can always come back by a long click. So that's how you navigate around in the EGW Writings 2 app for the audiobooks. Thanks for joining us today. Hope that little tip in the audiobook navigation helped you. Have a blessed day.